Okay, this is a test with the GoPro Hero 7 White against the Hero 5 Black, and a sound test with the Freewell 360 that I bought for the Hero 5, but you couldn't use it because the sound was horrible. So let's see what the difference is. Spinning it around. I have a feeling that is pretty loud. Oh, grabbing the pole in different places. Spinning it around. And the noise was so loud with the Hero 5 and I think 6, you couldn't even use it. So let's see how loud it is with the Hero 7. Hero 7 White, actually. Even though that you can't hardly hear anything out of that pole. Wow, that is amazing. I could actually use the Freewell pole now because the sound is so much better on the Hero 7. Kind of makes me want to get a Hero 7 Black now.